Hello, welcome, and thank you very much for subscribing to my mailing list. I really appreciate it, and I do promise you that this will be the best subscription you've ever made. I'm gonna give you nothing but lots of great value, as I know that you do not have a lot of time to waste, and your main aim for subscribing to my list is to be able to generate at least $20 per day on consistent basis, and that is the aim of this training video that I'm about to take you through. Now, you can see my image right there. My name is Fidel, and I have been involved with binary options since March 2014. It hasn't been an easy road, but I would say it was worth every bit of the struggle and the hassle that I had to go through before being able to develop trading strategies on my own. I'm going to tell a little bit about a brief history about how I got involved or came into action with binary options trading. Now, a couple of that was a year and a half ago, I was in debt and I needed to find a way to pay off my debt. Now, my current my salary by then, what you guys call paycheck in most countries, wasn't enough to pay for it at that time, and it was such that if I had to pay for it, I would have had to forego any form of expenditure for the next 5 years in order to be able to repay my debts. That was how huge it was, and that was how small my paycheck or my salary was. And actually, it's a monthly salary if you get to know a monthly salary. Now, I need to find a way to get that done, and I tried all ways to all other means to make money, and it didn't prove to be fruitful. So just in my quest of giving up, I came across a mill. Should I call it a spamming mill? I don't know what to call it. I think it's a spam. There are a lot of spammers around lately saying that how they feel to turn $250 into $1,000 in the next 1 hour. It sounded to me like it was a joke. I didn't take it serious, but I was a bit skeptical in the beginning. But I was like, okay, let me check this whole thing out. What is this whole binary option stuff? So now I got involved, checked the video out, and then I realized, okay, wow, this is the fastest way to make money. And the reason why I realized the binary options in itself was not a scam was the fact that I was preparing for the CFA exam, what is the Chartered Financial Analyst exam, and I came across derivatives. So I realized that okay, binary options trading is just a form of derivative, um, and it's just that this time around it's made it easier to invest little sum of money in order to profit from the market. So it made me realize okay, the whole binary options idea was not a scam, that there were scammers out there who take such a profitable industry and turn it into a very bad one. So that was how I got involved. I realized this guy had a strategy he was using. I followed it, but what I noticed along the line was he was using a demo account, so he just winning his trades. Even though when he loses a lot, he's still able to recover because he had huge capital balance. But I tried a strategy out with raw cash, and then I lost it down to zero. Now that is when reality hits me that this strategy was not gonna work, and secondly, I needed to find a way to make money with this particular system, which is binary options. There's this binary options trading because I realized this was the fastest and the most quickest way to make money online, and no one, I don't think to date, can convince me that there's any other way to make money online fastest and quickest than through binary options trading. And I also like the idea of the fact that you are able to control the outcome. You're able to decide how much you want to make in a day, and you call the shots. So that's what I like. Now, I think enough about me for now, and I want you to know we are here. I am here for you, and I want you to know that I have your back on this one. Alright, so I'm gonna take you through the three inside down candlestick pattern strategy, which I believe by now you should have downloaded a PDF version of the strategy. I'm just making this video to make it easier for you to understand the whole strategy that you downloaded. Now, this strategy is gonna help you make at least $20 a day on consistent basis if you follow what I'm gonna take you through and you do it accordingly. That is it. If you follow the rules, that's very easy. You're gonna make at least $20 a day. Alright? Now let's get straight into things. Okay. Now, like I was saying, another aim of this video, as you can see, is I have outlined three aims of this video. And I just wanna mention them out. Now the video seeks to achieve three things. First of all is to teach you how to set up a candlestick charting software on your own in order to receive live feed. Now one thing to understand is the binary options broker gives you a line chart which cannot help you make a profitable or a wise or an informed trading decision. So you will need a real-time live chart where you're receiving live feeds in order to be able to make the right predictions. So I'm gonna teach you how to set that up just step by step. I'm gonna take you through the steps step by step. You watch over my shoulder as I teach you how to set that up right now, and you can do that starting right this very moment when you get off this video. You can do exactly that. Secondly, the next aim is to teach you how to set up a profitable binary options trading strategy on your own, and that is why I'm going to teach you how to set up a 3 inside down candlestick pattern strategy on your own. I'm going to teach you how to do that on your own, and that will help you set up a very good binary options trading strategy. And finally, the aim of this video is to show you exactly the things that you need to do as an individual, as a person, as a trader, as an analyst, the things you need to do, the things that must be in place in order to enable you generate at least $20 per day on consistent basis. Now imagine if you can do this every day, generate at least $20 a day at the end of your trading session. Let's assume you take a whole lot of trades, and let's say you win and you lose some. At the end of the day, you can still generate at least a profit of $20 every day. In a week, 5 days of the week, you're making $100. In a month, you're making $400. Now that is how it works. So imagine this: if you can double this, so instead of making $20 a day, you can make $40 a day. In a week, you're generating $200. In a month, you're generating $800. So that is how it works. Alright, so I'm gonna take you through that, and I will need you to go through every bit of the videos that I'm gonna put out there just for you to model the trading strategy that I have been using in order to generate at least $20 a day. Alright, so that is what we're gonna do, and that's what I'm gonna take you through. So just make sure you stick around to watch all the videos. Just take your time and go through all the videos, and you will be able to do this starting immediately you get off this video. Alright, now let's get straight into things. So what we really need for this strategy, I'm sure that's what you'll be asking yourself, what are the tools we need in order to make this strategy work effectively, or in order to make this strategy effective. Now what you need is you need two things. First of all, you need a MetaTrader 4 charting software, actually a candlestick charting software with a MetaTrader 4 charting software. You need that. Another reason I suggest MetaTrader 4 is because you can do backtest even when offline. But if you go for an online charting software when the market or when you're offline, you're not able to do any backtesting, and that is what I'm trying to make sure we avoid, that sort of shortcoming. So in order to make you benefit and be able to test your trading strategies, I prefer you go for the MetaTrader 4 chatting software. Now, the next thing you need in order to make this strategy that I'm about to take you to, the three inside down candlestick pattern strategy, the next thing you need is the options builder trading platform. Now, the options builder trading platform allows you to choose an expiry time of your own choice. You know, most of the platforms that the binary options trading and brokers have, they predetermine the time frame for you. They predetermine and tell you how long to hold a trade. They suggest time frames for you. But with the options builder, you decide on which time frame you want to hold the asset. Now, with using this particular feature, build platform feature, you can hold the assets for a minimum of 5 minutes and a maximum of 5 hours. Also, with this particular trading feature, you can and platform feature, you can choose how much money you want to save in case you do lose the trade. Now that is what we call the insurance rate. So if you look here, for instance, you can see the insurance rate, and for instance, you have the payout ratio. If you are in the money, if you choose the maximum payout, which is 80%, and you're out of the money, which is the insurance rate, you're not gonna get anything in return. Now assuming you choose an in the money of 75 percent, then out of the money be 5%. So assuming you lose the trade, they're gonna be giving back 5% of your invested capital per trade. So that is how it works. All right. Now this video was just to give you an idea of what I'm gonna be taking you through. So what I would suggest is that you hop onto the next video, which is right below this very video, and continue from there as I take you through how to set up a MetaTrader 4 candlestick pattern strategy and a MetaTrader 4 candlestick charting software on your own, how to get it onto your computer or your laptop or your tablet, and how you can start to receive live feeds onto your charting software, because that is very important. Without the charting software, the strategy is not going to work. So hop onto the next video. I'm gonna take you through that training, and then we'll take it from there. Alright, thank you very much for taking time out to watch this video. I'll see you in the next video.